and drop it. So make sure that you shake it. You don't want any sediment at the bottom.
Right now we're doing bath bombs, and they are trying to prove with evidence where those gases came from, and then eventually putting together that it is a chemical reaction. Even if they're not excited about a bath bomb, they get excited about the next lesson of the MRE.
This is a new science curriculum called Open Sci-Ed, taught by Gray Middle School Science Department leader Allison Mueller. The excitement for the students comes from allowing them to have some skin in the game.
It's very much let the students explore, kind of give them a prompt and let them figure it out as you progress through the unit.
So instead of the normal lecture, maybe a lab, maybe some group work, it is all kind of led by the students. So it is their opportunity to come up with these investigations that we're doing. I think that it's more engaging.
When it comes to student-centered learning, I know Allison puts ownership of students and their learning on them. And she will share the big ideas, but she will not give them the answers.
Towards the first day of school, when I was confused about something, she came over and helped me understand it more, and I kind of understood the concept of what we were learning about, and she made me feel like asking for help, like I shouldn't be afraid to ask.
For a 7th grader who's used to looking in a science textbook and getting the definition or getting the answers right away, it can be frustrating. Even when it's frustrating, Allison isn't giving in. She's asking questions and probing and trying to get them excited about finding it out on their own.
She made me realize my full potential in a way that I could also help others. I was never really a science kid, don't tell her that. 6th grade, not my best year in science. I think I had a B in that class. But then because of her teaching methods, which I really admired, she broke stuff down into pieces where it made so much more sense.
If I would have gone into science classes and had a teacher that engaged me the way that she does, I think I would have a different love for science.
I've never really liked science, but it definitely has changed a little bit so far this year, so hoping by the end of the year it'll be one of my favorite subjects.
It is crazy to see the change from the beginning of the year students in science to the end of the year students in science, because they realize how much they have to do with this curriculum, and it really is so cool to watch them kind of take ownership of their learning and of their science world.
Walking in there and seeing the passion that she has for the content and seeing the passion that she has for kids in general. She has a great sense of humor, builds great relationships with kids. Anytime I go into classrooms, I want to see the engagement from students through the roof. So I want to see kids leading the conversation. I want to see kids engaged in what they're doing.
If you guys have two solutions.
To be clear, these students are not teaching themselves. However, this new curriculum, Open Sci-Ed, is about student empowerment, where students are learning critical thinking skills, how to collaborate, while also modeling good character traits.
Seeing that it takes them to guide the lesson, it really is a change in mindset for them. I think that majority of my kids do a 180 when they come in here. They get involved in something.
I thought I would never repay her back for the amount of wonderful impact that she created on me as a student and as a person of character, which I think is the true meaning of a teacher, which Miss Mueller does so beautifully.
Not only is she creative, not only is she personable with the students, Allison loves science. She loves her job.
Miss Mueller, congratulations on being the September Break the Mold winner. You certainly deserve it.
Allison, I am so proud of you. You are so deserving of this award. Congratulations on breaking the mold.
Congratulations, Miss Mueller, on breaking the mold.
Congratulations, Miss Mueller, on winning the Break the Mold award. You're a great teacher, and I like your teaching methods a lot.
Congratulations on winning Break the Mold, Miss Mueller. You truly deserve it, and I've already told you this, but congratulations on your wedding. I hope it's amazing as you are.